everyone. Remember, if we use the distribution or FOIL method to multiply two binomials, we distribute the first term to each term of the second. So x times x is x squared, and x times 4 is 4x. Then the second term to each term of the second binomial. So 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 4 is 8. And then we added those like terms together to get 6 x's altogether. So how do we go from this trinomial factored back to the factored form of this expression? If you think about the pattern that we have for multiplying, makes that a little easier. So in section 6.2, we're factoring trinomials of the form x squared plus bx plus c. By the end of this section, students should be able to factor trinomials of this form. And also, if there's a greatest common factor of all of the terms, factor that out first and then factor trinomials of this form. So, looking back at the expanded trinomial, if we want to factor this into two binomial factors, note that b, the coefficient of the x term, is the sum of the two numbers, the two number terms of the factors, and c, the last or constant term, is the product of those two numbers. So we'll be looking for two numbers whose product is c and whose sum is b. And because there's fewer choices for a product, we're going to start there first. If we looked at the sum, there's an infinite number of choices we could have for a sum, but not for a product. So in the next videos, we'll learn about factoring trinomials of the form x squared plus bx plus c.